to the Megabus. This bus from Boston to New York City. And during the bus in motion, please remain your seat for your own safety.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I have decided who's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight.
Oh, thank you. You're very kind and nice.
All I know how to do. After that, I'm done.
Like you, doing in a place like this. Say, did you come alone, or did you bring all your friends? Say, what's your name, what you drinking? I think I know what you're thinking. Baby, what's your sign? Tell me yours, I tell you mine. Say, with somebody like you, doing in a place
Child, I know you be hearing this and that from here and there, but please trust and believe, Lil' homie. I see you gon' ride for me, so I'ma die for you. Is you with me?